There could be life beneath the surface of Comet 67P. According to two leading UK astronomers, the comet's characteristics such as a black crust and icy lakes suggest it could be home to alien life. Rosetta, the European spacecraft, is currently orbiting the comet and is also said to have picked up strange clusters of organic material that resemble viral particles. According to the experts, it's comets like 67P that could be responsible for bringing life to Earth and potentially other planets. Both astronomers have completed computer simulations which showed that microbes could live in watery regions of the comet. And organisms with antifreeze salts could survive at temperatures as low as -40 degrees. Back in November last year, the European Space Agency landed its spacecraft Philae on the surface of the comet. It successfully detached from its Rosetta mothership and bounced down onto the surface, coming to rest close to a cliff or crater wall. Since then, the lander has undergone a period of hibernation, but it woke up in June having recharged its solar panels as it moves closer to the sun. The scientists say that as the comet reaches the closest point to the sun, a distance of 121 million miles, its family of microorganisms is likely to become more active. Currently, the comet is more than 176 million miles away from Earth and is travelling at more than 73,000 miles per hour.